Okay, so this video is going to help and clear and balance the crown chakra. So the crown chakra is ruled by Neptune. So we're going to check in now, see if my crown chakra is open and balanced, or if not, we will clear it. So I'm going to tune in. Open up my sacred soul space, tuning into the crown. Is my crown chakra open and balanced? No. Okay, so we're going to work with that. So we're going to work with Neptune. So I'm going to force it into the positive direction with the intention to clear the energy in the crown chakra. And I'm going to call upon Neptune. Call upon Neptune now to help clear, balance, and release anything in my crown chakra that prevents me from knowing my destiny. Calling upon the spiritual wisdom of Neptune to work with me, to show me the way of my highest potential and soul purpose, clearing the path for me now so I know exactly the direction I should follow, helping me make clear decisions, taking right action, and tuning in always to my deepest spiritual connection, my higher self. And it is so. Thank you, Neptune. Okay, it's slowing down. So now let's check. Is my crown chakra now balanced and clear? Yeah. Okay, brilliant. So again, use the life themes that feel relevant to you in the moment. Every time you do this, you can make this a daily practice, and you will speed up. You know, you might just really quickly do a chakra tune-in, use the pendulum, and then you'll decipher which ones need balancing and which ones don't. So yeah, do this every day, because I do feel energized now, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to walk in nature and really just soak up that energy work that I've just done. So any questions, let me know, and I'll see you soon.